In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in YouTube music. This process is straightforward and will allow you to enjoy your music in the language you prefer. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through each step. First, open your browser and search for YouTube music. You can use any web browser that you prefer like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once the browser is open, type YouTube music into the search bar and hit enter. You will see a list of search results. This step is essential because it gets you to the right platform where you can change your language settings. You want to make sure you are at the official YouTube music site to avoid any issues. Take a moment to locate the right link from the search results. Next, click the correct link and sign in if prompted. Look for the link that typically says YouTube Music and click on it. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you will be prompted to sign in. Enter your email and password associated with your account. This step is crucial because signing in ensures that your preferences are saved to your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be ready to personalize your experience. You should see the main YouTube Music interface now. Now click your profile picture in the top right corner. In the YouTube Music interface, your profile picture is usually located at the top right of the screen. It might be a circle with your picture or an icon representing your account. Clicking on your profile picture is an important action because it leads you to various account settings. This is where you can manage your account preferences, including language settings. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on Language, which is represented by a globe or language icon. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Language. This icon typically looks like a globe or a small language symbol. Select your preferred language from the list that appears. This step is vital because changing the language will help enhance your listening experience on YouTube Music. You want to choose a language that you are comfortable with for better engagement with the content. After making your selection, the page will automatically refresh. The page will automatically refresh and display the new language. This means that your changes are being applied and you should see all text and options in the language you selected. This step not only confirms that your preferences have been updated, but also allows you to navigate the platform more easily. You might notice that song titles, playlists, and other interface elements now reflect your chosen language. Take a moment to explore the new layout. By following these steps, you have successfully changed the language in YouTube Music. This small adjustment can significantly enhance your overall user experience. Whether you are exploring new music or revisiting your favorites, having the interface in your preferred language makes the process more enjoyable. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you want to switch languages again in the future. Thank you for watching and enjoy your music.